Go, guys. This is the story of how I met Edu Manzano, guys. Oh my gosh. So right now, nandito tayo sa Pags Airline Lounge. And habang naghihintay tayo for our flight, I just want to tell you the story of this once-in-a-lifetime experience. So ang nangyari, nasa immigration line kami. And then, biglang may nahulog na chopsticks. Kulay blue siya, na ganito kalaki. And then, syempre medyo malayo na siya from the person na nakahulog. So what I did was, kinuha ko siya from the two lanes away. Eh, wala kasing tao dun sa likod ko. So, kinuha ko na lang siya. And then, no problem naman to me. Okay lang naman na kinuha ko siya. And then, binigay ko siya doon sa tao na nakahulog. And then, sabi niya, no, 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 it's okay. Ako nakukuha. And then, okay lang naman for me. I'm nimble, kaya ko naman. So, no problem. Kinuha ko yung chopsticks. And then, when I got the chopsticks, binigay ko na to the person. And then, sabi ko, here you go. Oh my gosh, guys. It was Edo Manzano. Oh my. I was so starstruck, guys. Alam mo naman, I'm still human. I still get starstruck to celebrities. And you know what happened? Ang sabi niya is, actually, ang sabi ko pala is, are you Edu Manzano? At least I was confident enough to ask that question, 'di ba? Minsan kasi parang nahihiya tayo, hindi na natin ginagawa. Ayun, so sabi niya, "Yes, I'm Edu." Ay, oh my gosh, guys, I got so starstruck. So, papunta siya sa Hong Kong because meron siyang friend na imi-meet up doon. So, that's nice. That's very nice. And then, we're also going to Hong Kong. So, watch out for the travel vlogs regarding Hong Kong. So, what happened was when we were in the line. Guys, this is so uncommon. You know what happened? During Kasi he was two people away from me. Parang dalawang tao siya sa harap ko. Kumbaga, may isang tao sa harap ko and then isa pang tao. So, he was two rows, two people away from me. And you know what he did? Umalis siya from his line and then pumunta siya sa likod ko. And then sabi ko sa kanya, no, no, no need, no need, no need. Just go to your, kung nasaan ka nakapila nung una. But no, he wanted to be at the back of me. Oh my gosh, guys. We're so kilig to the max. So from there, we ask a little question, some little questions, light questions lang like, oh, where are you going? What are you planning to do? Ayun na nga, mag-meet siya ng friend niya sa Hong Kong. So, that was nice. And then, guys, you know what he's looking forward to the most in Hong Kong? The the roast goose? Is it the roast goose? The roast goose and the duck. So, yun ang mga favorite food niya. And then, sabi ko naman, me too. I'm also looking forward to the roast goose and duck. So, ayun, we're very excited to go to Hong Kong for the food. Not just for the food, for also the ambience and good things in Hong Kong, no? So, yeah. And then, when we were in the line naman for, di ba, after the line to the immigration, we went to the, ano, para scan yung mga bags. And you know what happened during the bag scan? Pumila pa siya dun sa likod ko, guys. Oh my gosh, I'm so kilig to the max. Kaso lang, doon na tayo nagtatapos because meron mga guards on duty na nilipat siya sa ibang line. So, ayun. Hindi na kami the same line. Pero, parang just to commemorate the event, after we finish the bag scan, I asked for a picture with him. Actually, a video picture with him. So, that was very nice. And tingnan nyo to, guys. Nag-thank you po nga siya sa akin. So, oh my gosh, I'm so kilig, guys. So, yun. What is the moral of this story, guys? I guess the moral of this story is be kind to people hanggat sa makakaya, ha. Wag naman yung sobra-sobra na hindi nyo na ma hindi nyo na ma gawa yung sarili niyong capabilities. So, be kind to others, kahit sino man yan. Hindi kailangan celebrity. I'm telling you guys, ha. Una, nung kinuha ko yung chopstick niya, nahulog medyo malayo konti, hindi ko naman inisip na kung sino ba siya. And may mapapala ba ako sa kanya? No, I just got it simply because it was there. Somebody needed help. I could help, 'di ba? Pero kung labag na naman, hindi na natin kaya yung help na hinihingi ng iba, wag na. Pero, as long as makakaya natin tumulong, wala namang problema. Pwede naman tayo tumulong, no? So, there you go, guys. And then, buti na abutan namin siya after the immigration, yung bag check-in. I mean, bag checking. Because, medyo malayo na siya. So, buti na lang may mga naka-recognize din sa kanya at nagpa-picture. So, because of that, medyo nahabol ko siya. And then, nagpa-picture also for myself. So, thank you guys. That is my Edu Manzano once in a lifetime story. And yeah, have a great day, everybody. Bye bye. Please make sure to subscribe to this channel.